Hey YouTubes, how's it going? It's been a minute since I made a video. Well, the 2017 Twin Cam Heritage is down for quite a little while. As you can see, it's wrapped in plastic right now because I have the complete lower end of it out. So what happened was right before Christmas, I was going through the bike and getting ready to install some new cams in it. I had some 585 cams from S&S, but the compression wasn't really good enough for the stock bike. So I was going to change it out for the Star Racing 577 cams. And when I went to check the run out on it, it was 7 thousandths or 0.007. I had also purchased some Fueling Race Series components, the plate and pump, and I had to return those because the run out was too great. So I originally put it back together with the stock plate and pump because 7 thousandths is a lot, but I could successfully run that okay with the stock stuff, and it would last maybe another year or so. So I did that, and then the more I kept thinking about it, I'm like, man, this is not going to last much longer. I really need to correct the issue. The crank had gone out of true and shifted on me. It just happened. It's just because of how Harley creates their flywheels. So I made the decision to send the complete lower out with the crank to A1 Cycles in South Carolina or North Carolina? One of the two, which is where it's at right now, to get retrued, balanced, and welded, which is very similar to what this yellow bike, my Dyna, has. It's a 2005. It has a welded crank as well because of the same kind of issue. So that's where that is at. I have all the other components wrapped in plastic over here, just kind of waiting for the lower end to come back. I also sent the heads out to Fuel Moto to get them ported. And I have some 107-inch cylinders with 10 1/4 to 1 pistons coming because that's what the Star Racing's like. So I've got quite the project going on. I think maybe in another month or a month and a half, everything will be back together and I'll get a video going and show everybody what's happening with that. But other than that, everything's going good on my side. It's Indiana. It's winter. Bikes are parked. Not much I can do about this, but my garage is a disaster from this. That's all right too. So anyway, hope everybody's doing good. Just a quick video explaining what's going on with the Heritage. I'm very much looking forward to getting it put back together. It's going to be a brand new motor from the bottom up. Last lifetime of this bike, because once you weld the crank, it's extremely rare for it to go back out. So hope everybody's doing okay. Peace.